Welcome to my channel Listening and Learning. Objectives. In this video, you will learn about nutrition in animals class 7. Introduction. Digestive tract starts with mouth, that is buccal cavity, and ends with anus. Alimentary canal consists of the following parts: buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. There are two types of digestion: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion involves breaking of the food inside our mouth, also called mastication. Chemical digestion. Chemical digestion begins at mouth when the food mixes with the saliva. During chemical digestion, complex nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, and fat are broken into simple sugar, amino acid, and fatty acids respectively. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. Intake of food is called ingestion. Inside the mouth, food particles get digested. This is called mechanical digestion. Saliva breaks down starch into sugars. The food then passes into the esophagus. Esophagus is otherwise called food pipe. It reaches the stomach from one end and opens into a duodenum, that is the upper part of the small intestine. The food mixes with hydrochloric acid and digestive juices in the stomach. Hydrochloric acid helps to kill the bacteria and makes acid medium, which helps for digestion. From the stomach, after the completion of protein and carbohydrate, the chyme reaches duodenum. The pancreas and liver release their secretion into duodenum. Liver secretes bile juice. Bile juice is stored in gallbladder. It helps in digestion of fat. Pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrate and converts them into simple sugar. Then the partly digested food reaches the lower part of the small intestine. Intestinal juice completes the digestion. Carbohydrate into simple sugar, protein into amino acid, fat into fatty acid and glycerol. The digested food is absorbed by the blood vessels through the villus, the finger-like structure present inside the walls of the small intestine. This is the process of absorption. Absorbed food substances are transported to different parts of the organs via blood vessels. Then these are used to build the protein required by the body. This is called assimilation. That is, glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide and water. Energy is released. The undigested food enters the large intestine. Large intestine absorbs the water and some salt from undigested food. The waste enter the rectum. It is called fecal matter. Then the fecal matter is removed through the anus. This is called egestion. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Breaking down of complex components into simpler substances is called digestion. It starts with buccal cavity and ends with anus. The food passes through the alimentary canal. Buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus together form alimentary canal. Intake of food is called ingestion. After ingestion, it reaches stomach through esophagus. In the stomach, carbohydrate and proteins are broken down into simple sugar and amino acid respectively. Then it reaches the upper part of the intestine called duodenum. With the help of bile juice and pancreatic juice, components of the food is converted into simpler form. It reaches the lower part of the small intestine. It has a finger-like projection called villi. It absorbs the digested food and transported to other parts of the organs through blood vessels. This is the process of absorption. When it reaches the other part of the body, it produces the complex substances called protein. This is the process of assimilation. It reaches the large intestine where absorption of water and salt takes place. Then waste material reaches the rectum. Now the undigested waste matter is called fecal matter. Fecal matter expelled through anus. This is the process of digestion. We get energy from digested food through our blood.
Thanks for watching my channel. Hit like button and subscribe.